Two female grey whales and their calves perform a waterborne dance off the coast of Baja California, Mexico. It's the closest most of us will ever get to these majestic creatures. But in February 2015, these tourists were lucky enough to enjoy a hands-on experience. Each year, grey whales migrate almost 5,000 miles between their summer feeding grounds in the Arctic and breeding lagoons here. When they arrive, boats take people out to meet them. The mother, estimated at 40 foot, proves a gentle giant as she allows herself to be petted. And even her curious calf can't resist a scratch and a tickle.